You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, a Catalan name specifically. So from Catalonia, which is a part of Spain, but that has its individual language. Jaume is the Catalan pronunciation. It's actually Catalan for James. Jaume, Jaume. How to pronounce Catalan pronunciation? Jaume, Jaume. The Spanish say it as Jaume. In English, Jaume. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.